friends, welcome back to my channel Infinite Trade. My name is Robin and let's do a Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for the coming week and also for tomorrow. So I'm sorry that I couldn't record video for the last couple of days during the expiry and on Friday. However, the plan shared on the Telegram worked really well on both the days. Okay. So let's hope that I don't skip any days further and let's begin the analysis. So this is the weekly chart of Nifty, and we'll discuss both 50 and Bank Nifty. So, like I said, uh, till the time we do not come above these red candles, so this is around 18,120. So, till the time we don't go above this level, Nifty will see selling pressure. Okay, so we cannot help it because see, market is all about red candles and green candles. Okay, if you see a good buying candle, obviously market will take support, and if there is any big red candle, market will use that as a resistance even uh, in the future time. So in this case, like though we crossed this level, okay, market sustained here, but when it came back into the red zone, okay, see, there was so much of selling pressure at 18,100 to 18,400. As soon as it came back in, again we are seeing red candles. But the only difference here is, previously we saw continuous red candles coming up from these levels, but this time the intensity was less, and again this time the intensity is lesser than the previous one. So, will Nifty can show any signs of reversal? Uh, it can, but that depends once we come to this level, which is around 17,000. Okay, we need to see the reaction of Nifty at 17,000, because if it has to go up, then it will take support here, spend some time here for the next 4 5 months, and then eventually it will cross 18,100 to 200, and then it can maybe in the next year's election time we could see a new high. Before the election we may stand around 19,500 to 20,000 maybe, but there is a scope of going there, provided we take support at 17,000. Only when we break this support and sustain below for like 2 to 3 days can create a dangerous situation. It can, so basically, see, we all follow swing. So after this swing, directly the swing is somewhere at this place, which falls around 15,600 to 16,000. So another 1,500 points fall. But we definitely have a strong support here, and I don't see any significant cash selling from FIIs at this place. So I'm not much worried about the portfolio. The only thing is, let me be frank here. If you look at the participant data, FI has covered shorts, but again, they are adding shorts. That's a problem. Okay, so I wanted to discuss this. So I think I should cover this in this particular video. So on Friday, they added about 11,000 future shorts, and on Thursday, they added about 21,000 future shorts. Okay, so if you look at the figure, 31,000 and 15,000, somewhere close to 47,000 shots were booked here, and now around 32,000 shots have been added here. So one thing is very clear: whenever these shots were added, okay, and market gave a very good fall, but FIs did not book any profits here, which indicates that these future shots are not speculative shorts. Okay, so when I say speculative shorts, so they don't mean that the market will fall and they'll make money out of it. So that's not their idea here. So basically, even after falling, they're not booking their shorts, means they are hedging their portfolio, is what I can understand. So all these shorts are being added as a hedge, but I'm really not sure what is coming up further, that could indicate a very big fall. Uh, like for example, before COVID came in, so if I used to manage future shorts of more than 1 lakh naked for almost around 2 months. Okay, and that was mainly I think January and December, Jan and Feb, somewhere like that. So 2.5 months they maintained more than 1 lakh shops, and then suddenly in the month of March, when COVID outbreak happened, market fell like anything. So that's the kind of quantity that they are maintaining even now. But we know that nothing like COVID could come again. But the only worrisome figure is this 1,20,000 again. So more than 1 lakh naked shorts in the system. So somewhere down the line, they are having some kind of a fear. I don't know if that is the Silicon Valley Bank collapse that happened, but that has happened, and we fell around 700 points in Bank Nifty and roughly around 180 points in Nifty. So that is done basically, and obviously it will have some repercussions, and we may see some more downfall further. But I don't know if that is the only issue that they had, or is it something that is going to come up in the future. But anyways, all that we can do is to analyze the market based on their positions, and that's what we are doing right now. Okay. So coming back to the charts, let's quickly discuss Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, if you look at the weekly chart, it is also below a candle, which is a selling candle. Okay. So this level I'm talking about. So this is 41,678. Okay. So till the time we do not cross, so see, previously when we crossed, we saw continuous green candle, and now we are back into this range and we are not able to break it. Okay. And so this is a problem at the moment. And if Bank Nifty falls, the nearest swing is around 38,000. Okay. Nifty, we saw that it's around 17,000. So Nifty is closer to 17,000, but I'm a bit worried in Bank Nifty because uh, from here it is almost about how much, 3940, so around 2500 points. So that's huge. So let's hope that we don't get into this place. But definitely, like if we see a fall coming up to this swing, it is a good opportunity for investing. But we do not want to see a fall further. Yeah, that's the main idea. So this is the wider picture of what Nifty and Bank Nifty is showcasing right now. And now we'll discuss the intraday trades and the levels. Okay. So firstly, we'll discuss the participant data in brief. So what happened on Friday was we opened gap down nearly 450 points in Bank Nifty and fell another 300, 350 points. And FIS closed 6,800 longs and they added 11,000 shorts. Okay, this is the problem. Even if the market is falling and it's opening gap down, they're still shorting the futures. But the only good thing here is uh, options, they have net long positions in put, but they do not have much of a positions on call shorts. So this indicates that they're expecting a gap down opening, and definitely they'll book the option put long positions, and pros have call shorts. So looking at these positions, they will also try to book. So any gap down can stop the market tomorrow is what we can expect from this particular data. But other than that, future shorts, stock future shorts are still aggressive and it still creates a lot of confusion to stay bearish. But since they are future positions, we always know that which always have time to, time for them to basically make money out of it. But options are something they are weekly expiry, so they also trade very aggressively based on that. So on Friday, if you look at the move, see we made a day low, and we just tried to break it, but we came up and closed above the day low. So there is a trend line here, and there is a VWAP here. So this is a confluence point. So I don't like to trade confluence point because usually it is a failure. So what we'll do is you can actually mark a resistance here. This comes around 40,640. Okay, once we break this resistance, we'll straightly go for call because there is an opportunity of going up because we have a huge gap on left side. So call by only above 40,640. Okay. So regardless of any kind of opening, even if it is opening flat, it will not immediately cross. It will consolidate and give a breakout because market consolidated here for a long time. So similarly, we'll see some consolidation, and if it gives a breakout, we'll go for a call, and we can expect the first target to be the high of this candle, which is around 40,850 if I'm not wrong. And once we clear this, we can see it going up until the gap, which is at 41,200. So before that, we definitely have the round number 41,000. So we'll book more quantities around 41,000. So this is the upside trade we could plan if we open flat and we start moving up, or if we open gap up and consolidate and break out this level, we'll trade the call. Secondly, SGX Nifty is already 95 points down, and in case if we open gap down, we'll definitely break this swing. But the only problem is I'm not sure if it opens here, I'm not sure if it would give us an opportunity to sell. But just in case if it opens gap down and if it goes to fill the gap, definitely I would like to buy a put here. And then once it closes below this swing, we can add more P's here. And then the target that we can expect is around, I think 40,160 or something. Yeah, 40,160 and 40,066. So this is where you could book your profits in the PE in case of a gap down. If at all we open flat opening and breaking of the swing is really something which I don't like. So, but if you want to trade with minimum quantity, because obvious trades never give you much more money, so you can always go for a lesser quantity. But in case if we open flat and we go up, and suppose if we reject from 40,006 2640, we can again look for a P. Okay, so this is my view on Bank Nifty. Let's quickly discuss Nifty. So yeah, so Nifty also has a gap, and when do you go for a call in Nifty is once it closes above the Friday's high. Okay, Nifty looks a little bullish than Bank Nifty. So if we open flat and if we cross this high, we can go for a call and expect it to move until 17,560 to 580. Okay, so this is one of the trade. And in case Nifty opens gap down, so it's now 100 points. So from 418 to almost 318. So 318 is somewhere here. Okay, around the day low. So we'll wait here because 300 is a support. In case if Nifty takes a U-turn, you can definitely try a call trade until the gap filling around 418, which is a 100 points move. So this is something we can try in Nifty. And in case it doesn't go up, and if it doesn't fill the gap, and if it breaks 17,300, then we can go for a put. But this chance is very less. Okay, if it opens around above 17,300. And any gap up opening in Nifty around say 17,450 or something, we'll wait for a dip, and if it takes a U-turn and breaks the high, we'll go for a call, and our target would be around 17,600, the gap filling area. So this is my view on both Nifty and Bank Nifty. I hope you all enjoyed it. Let's meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.